Hello, it's Alex from the Trailer Toy Store again, and you are correct. This is not an ATC or Doolittle cargo trailer. This trailer belongs to a customer that stopped by the shop this morning, and his challenge is he just doesn't feel like cranking on this jack anymore to hook up his trailer. And I tend to agree with him. I helped him unhook it. This thing's full of all kinds of parts and tools and equipment for his construction company. He would much rather just push a button to raise and lower the coupler to hook it up to his truck. So he came to the right place, to the Trailer Toy Store, where we had 2 of these electric jacks in stock ready to mount on his trailers. He's got 2 of them. And so I just wanted to take a second and show you how it works. So the jack that we have is a 3,500 pound capacity. It has its own wiring harness that comes out of the jack, and you can plug it directly into the socket on the tow vehicle. You may also hardwire it into the trailer itself, but in this application you'd be required to add an additional battery, which the customer did not want to do at this time. If it was an RV or something that already had a battery, you could just tap into it. But anyway, this customer wanted to use the wiring harness that comes with it. You'll notice on the jack it's got 2 levers or switches. The one on the right operates a little LED dome light, so at nighttime you can see what you're doing. The one on the left, if you press it up, it raises. If you press it down, it lowers. Piece of cake. Not out of breath or wore out. Also, if for whatever reason you catch yourself in a jam and your tow vehicle battery is dead, or the cable gets cut, or whatever, there is a backup. And you notice that this has a level on top of it for reference, but it's also a lid or a cap. You take it off, and inside there's a keyhole, and that's what this is for. And you just drop it down in there, and then you can crank it by hand. So worst case scenario, you can still unhook or disconnect the trailer. This is also an anti-theft feature, I guess you could say. Obviously not leaving the crank around, but when it's disconnected, not anybody can just hook up to it and take off. So it's a really nice application, really easy to work with. Happy that the customer stopped by this morning. Come by the Trailer Toy Store to check out our other parts in stock, ready to help you with your repairs or customizations of your trailers. And also, don't forget, we have several available units for purchase. Thanks for watching.